Joyful news, good news that spreads the whole world through, of mercy, peace, and freedom bright, God's way to bring us into light. Just trust His word, receive the Lord who died to set us free. Hurry now, the time is near, when careless hearts will shake with fear. But there's a refuge safe and sure, salvation now, forever secure. His blood was shed, He rose again, now glorified on high. So why not put your trust in Christ? If works could save, then why His life? Now listen to His final call. It is finished, Jesus paid it all. Just look to Him who bore our sin, and rest in what He's done. Now you are made forever whole by Christ's own blood, redeemed, made full, blessed in the riches of His grace, to walk in light before His face. Now serve Him here with holy fear, a child of heaven above.